Hello viewers, welcome to ARP Creation. Today I am going to show you how to start a page number from a specific page in Microsoft Word. So before starting this tutorial, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon also for all to get new updates. So let's go to a Microsoft Word file and we are in number 13 page. This is the page number 13 and we want to insert page number on this page and we will start page number 1 on this page. So firstly go to layout menu, then click on breaks, then click on next page, then go to home menu, then click on show and hide icon and you will see the section break next page bottom of the page of the page 12. Now we will uncheck this icon, then go to insert menu, then click on page number and bottom of the page and we will insert this plain number 2 and you will see the page number has been started from 1 on this page 13 and we will uncheck this link to previous, so click on it. Okay. Now we will remove the page 12 and you will see this number has been started from 1. Now we will close the header and footer section and now you can see this page number has been gone from this upper section and page number 1 has been started from this 13th page. Okay, so we have completed our procedure. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Have a good day.